Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2015 Can-Am SPYDER F3S SE6 with 10,243 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. The Spyder offers motorcycle thrills on the stability of 3 wheels. Spyders are in a category of their own thanks to their unique design and engineering, offering excitement and efficiency. Powered by a 1330cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the Spyder puts 115 horsepower and 95 foot-pounds of torque with a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,011 pounds and has a 30.4-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.